started?
Yes.
Rituja, you came before time today. Where is Sanvi? Holidays are started or no holiday? Tomorrow is holiday, no?
Yes.
How many days? 5 days. Any chapter practice, anything is going on? This month, once a week comes. Tuesday. Tuesday, Thursday. I see you only Tuesday. Thursday also you come? Let's see this Thursday, we'll see. We'll see on Thursday. Huh. Did you continue second day? What happened, Thursday? Started talking. Practice anything is done? What practice is done? Ordinary geometry. All of you take out just simply telling homework and doing. Are you doing the homework? That is it. One. Sure. Sure. Where? Sure. Huh? Where? You also show homework done, show to me. Any work, any practice, anything done, show to me. Melvin Fernandez, do you have any work with you to show? Just give me one pen. Sanvi has not reached. Rituja, do you have any work to show? Bring it. Anjali, do you have any work to show? Bring it. Bring fast. Quick. Melvin can sit down. You are not done now. Message you. How many sums are done? 20 sums. 20 sums. It's less now. Okay. Chalo, next. Anjali. One by one come na. Sanvi come. Sister. You did anything? What is triangle? What is 6 upon 9 is equal to x upon 28? I guess something is wrong. I guess. Okay. Next, you did anything? Coordinate geometry done. This is when did you do this? Last time also you showed me the coordinate geometry. Okay. Okay. Then next, Anjali, you did the new one, old one. Lyrics are not done. Okay. Less for you. Next, Gaurish, can you show? Where some 20.
Rest of the
Come inside. Why Gaurish? This one is late. Gaurish come before time. Extra. Oh, 6. Come. Homework today 7. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Samir is not there. Arya. Where?
2 times.
Where? Show. Done now? Sure. Still Melvin secretly not there. Okay, next. After Arya. Vinuji has shown. Deepam not come. Tushar. Melvin is the leader. Yeah. Riya has not come. Divyesh. Not coming. Next. Bhavya done homework? Done now? So you have to start. Diyesh?
Yes, sir.
Done? Fine. That is done now? This all distance between this classroom only or? It looks like mark is less in amount. Okay. Am I problem? Sanjeevani, shifting. Vihan is there. Show me. Lucy has done. Partially done. I trust you. Okay. Sit down, all of you. Which chapter we are doing? Huh? Which chapter we are doing? Application of trigonometry. Heights and distance chapter. Take time. How many questions of that exercise is done? How many questions are done? None. 10 are done. 9 are done. Sure. Okay. Now, so when 9 are done means you will be in a position to do the sums now. Figure drawing, all of you, no. All of you close the volume. All of you sign the attendance sheet. No. Check. Sign. Now. Now, right, close the volume and write one question. Let's see whether we'll be able to do. This is done now. 10th one, boy height is not done. Figure only drawn. Okay. Vinod is talking. Okay, right. From a point 50 meter, 50 meter above the lake level. From a point 50 meter above the lake, lake level, above the lake, the angle of elevation of a cloud 50 meter above the lake, the angle of elevation of a cloud, CLOUD cloud, is 30 degree, 30 degree, and the angle of depression of its reflection, in the lake is 60 degree. Find the height of the cloud above the lake. Find the height of the cloud above the lake. Question written now. Draw figure and check. Read, imagine, try to draw. Don't look in your friend's book. You will not be able to do anything. Try to read yourself. Try, draw the figure. If not getting, I'll explain. No problem. There's a cloud is there, reflection is there, there is a point, lake is there, point is 50 meters. Those who got the figure, tell me. Very sadly, oh, he is Ganpati Pan Mandal duty is there. And these also, these two. Samir to full time voice only Samir is missing. That's a deviation. What happened? She doesn't have volume also. She's giving it. Done. And he will take time to, why he was not writing, he was came before time also, no? Pinuli is drawing line, erasing that line, and you? Oh, good. Okay. Good. Yeah. Where is the point? From then, where is the depression? And this is the here is the reflection of the cloud. From here to there is oh, where is the reflection? Where is the reflection? Under the water is going here. No, listen. Who? Done. So, huh? What is it? Where is the cloud? So from there, depression is coming. Somebody standing on the cloud and taking looking down. What is it? Look here. First and foremost thing is, listen. There is a lake. That much all of you know. This is the level of the lake. If you see first condition, okay, suppose if this is the cloud. Let's say A is the cloud. Where is its reflection? On the surface of the lake or below the lake? Below the lake. You know that condition, all of you? This will be the reflection of the lake. Gaurish, you thought the reflection is where? On the surface. Okay. Now this is the one. What is A? What is A? Cloud. What is B? Reflection. What is this line? Lake. Okay, level of the lake. Now there is a point where it is 50 meter above the lake. So I can take that. 15 meter. That's a P. This is 15 meter. This one you got? Okay, let's say P, let's say Q. Let's say this is R. So now it is clear. From here, elevation and depression. From here, the elevation is 30 degrees. From here, reflection is coming as 60 degrees. Check the figure now. Now, after getting the figure, little more explanation I have to give you. Okay, let's say as ABC. Figure is clear? Those who are not followed the figure, tell me. Here, listen. Over here. What is now? Where is what happened here? Follow me. No. No. What is A here? Cloud. B reflection, which is a lake. QR. Okay. Then the condition is height of the cloud and height of the reflection will be equal. That is the first condition. Figure is clear. Okay. And this is the observation point. Write down. Figure draw first. After that, write the explanation. Or you draw the figure. After that, I will explain. Drawn the figure.
Height of the cloud and the height of the
Figure is drawn. Now, I'll give the explanation now. Okay. All of you drawn. So, right. A is the cloud. B is its reflection. A is the cloud and B is its reflection. Q in the lake, reflection in the lake. QR is the level of the lake. QR is the level of the lake. Therefore, height of the cloud is equal to height of the reflection. That is, AR is equal to BR is equal to H. Height of the cloud means AR from the lake, this is the height of the cloud, which is equal to height of the reflection, which is equal to BR. Which is written next is equal to H. Written of height of the cloud is equal to words. You don't need to write. You know what is this equal to? Okay. Don't write fast now. Height short form right. Height of cloud is equal to height of reflection. Therefore, AR is equal to BR equal to H. Then P is the observation point. P is the observation point. Therefore, PQ is equal to 50 meter. Therefore, CR is equal to 50 meter. CR also is 50 meter. Now look at the figure. Which are the two triangles you have to take? Which are the two lines? One ACB, ACP, BCP and ACP. So you have to take that one. Look here, all of you. This AR is equal to H. This is 50 means what will be AC? H minus 50. And what will be this length? This is 50 and this H means how much it will come? H plus 50. And I can take this as X and this is equal to X. So right over here. AC is equal to, have you followed already again? H minus 50. All of you followed or not? Respond.
Yes.
Okay, then BC is equal to H plus 50. QR is equal to BC is equal to X. So you got the two conditions. All the sides you wrote. So only the additional in this figure we applied is only one rule we applied. What is the rule? Height of the cloud and height of the reflection are equal. That is the reflection principle. Now you consider the triangle ACP. You can say, see which are the two sides to be considered? Which are to consider? One is here. AC is which side? There are three sides: opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Which are three sides to be? Which are two sides? 30 is there. This is which side? Opposite and adjacent. So what is? And take the triangle PCB. Which are the sides to be considered? Opposite side and adjacent side. So you can consider tan. So take triangle ACP and triangle ACPCB. Apply the trigonometry and try to do it. Let's see whether you'll be able to do. And simplify. You have to get the value of h. X is not required, so you can eliminate x from both. What happened, Rituja? You not followed? So to take the triangle, substitute the values. Write which side by which side. Tan 30 is equal to AC upon CP. Then put the values. Tan 30's value, all of you know. Fine. What is going on there? AC upon CP. Put the value tan 31 upon root 3 is equal to h minus 50 upon x. Always remember to find out what unknown value and equate. What you don't need, you find out. X is equal to h minus 50. Condition 1. Again, second triangle also take x, that is triangle BCP, so that you can eliminate tan 60. Again, BC upon CP. Therefore, root 3 is equal to BC is what? H plus 50 divided by x. Here also cross multiply the condition. Therefore, x is equal to H plus 50 divided by root 3. Second condition. So you got two conditions from one and to equate. Equate covered area. First is root 3. Usually completed. Completing, that means not complete. H plus 15 divided by root 3. Bring root 3 here, root 3 into root 3 3 times. H minus 15. Hope you have got the answer. 3h minus 150 equal to h plus. Solve it. 3h minus h. 15 plus 150. 2h is equal to 200. Therefore, h is equal to. Check the steps. Important question. Similar question again it will come. So then that time we should do it. That's why I'm in advance reason. Another type of question. Therefore, height of the cloud is equal to how much? 100 meters. Why are you writing with pencil? Huh? One box full of things are there, carrying a pen is not there. So, completed. If anyone having a doubt how it is coming in, Melvin, followed. Yes. Very good, not draw. See, think and do it. Little imagination, sometimes you have to think and do it. The cloud is there, the lake is there. Little. Only that little you think it is there, your physics rule applied is height of the curve is a image property. That's all. Nothing else. Minuli completed. What the answer? Now, which is let's come back to the exercise. What are you doing here? Scale and pencil is not there. The pencil is there to write. Pick up the scale also, no? What is it? Right. Huh? Resting. What? I will make you to rest. Chalo, let's say 10th question. Take out. 10th is not done, no? Or done? No. Take out the 10th one. Anjali, read the question.
1.5 meter.
Which two triangles equal?
Cbse and Cbse.
Who said they are equal?
So then why have we taken it equal to?
What is equal? Left side is no x. This also x we found out x and equator, no? Not here, not these two triangles are not how which way it's equal. This side is h plus 50, this is h minus 50. Only one side is equal, no? And the angle is different. Angle you can take this is 6, so this will become 30, but it is not quantified. Similar you can say. Okay? Yeah. Yes. Question number 10. Okay. Read.
A 1.5 meter tall boy.
This we have done in the class now. So the diagram will be drawn, do it now. So 1.5 meter. Okay. Figure is drawn, all of you. 1.5 meter boy. And what is the building height? 30 meter. He walks away and the angle changes to how much to how much? 30 to 60 degree. I think we have discussed all this. I think I took us history. Figure is like one is AV. Over here. This is coming as 30 degree and this is CD. I think I don't know which it is. This is 60 degree. Then EF. That is all height will be 1.5. This is 1.5. This is 1.5. And EFG. This is total height is equal to how much? 30. So 30 minus 1.5 is 28.5. I can take. You want to find out. I think the distance now. Distance is traveled is x. Let's say this is y. Is only marked or not? Did you mark in the figure these all things? Okay. So then you have to take two triangles. Which are two triangles you have to take? Which are two triangles to take? Huh? Louder. Right triangle, which are two right triangle. Have you followed the figure? Follow figure is clear. No, figure is clear. All of you, which are two triangles to be taken? Hmm? Louder. AGE and and take the 90 degree. You can see the 90 degree now. Also tell with 90 degree. Is there a 90 degree? Is there a 90 degree? So with this 90 degree, which are two triangle? A is G is C and G E A, or A is G and C is G. Figure is drawn. Explanation. Hello, followed. So then start doing now. Like explanation, you will write yourself. So take first is in triangle CEG. In triangle CEG, tan 60. Again, check the sides. See, this is 60 degree. This is opposite side, adjacent side. Is equal to tan or cot. There is no problem. GE upon CE. Replace root 3 is equal to 28.5 upon y. You know how to remove the decimal. Y is equal to 57 divided by 2 root 3. 28.5. Remove the decimal means 28 and a half. 57 by 2 root 3. Root 3 will come. Is the first condition. Next.
Sir, can you explain again how to do
Decimal you know how to remove. So remove and tell me how to get. Arey, how do you remove the decimal? Tell na. Tell loudly.
add one to
Add one more. Tell. Also do the na. 285 by 10 na. Cancel 5. Okay. Or 0.5 is half. 28.5 means 28 and a half. Do you know how to make into the fraction? 28 twos are 56 plus 1, 57. Understood or not? Whichever the way to do it. So 5 twos come. Next is triangle AEG. Find out. Again, tan 30. Opposite side. That is GE upon AE. Replace. That is 1 upon root 3. Is equal to GE is again 28.5 divided by how much? X plus y. What are you looking there? You are followed or not? Then what are you looking at Shiva? How she is writing? Cross multiply. Again 28.5 is 57 by 2. X plus y is equal to 57 divided by 2. This time we will. Second condition. We need to get the value of y x. So replace y and simplify. You will get the answer. What happened?
How did we do 3 is equals to 28.5?
Root 3. You know what is the value of tan 60?
That
So to replace the value, what is the value of tan 60? What is the value of G?
28.
So then what is the value of C?
Then y, but after that,
So then cross multiplication, do you know how to do it?
yes,
So when you cross multiply, y where it will go?
root 3 by
So where root 3 will go down? So go down now.
So how did you?
Decimal, you know, just now one by one I have to call and forward. Just now if she asked and I explained now 28.5. If you want to remove the decimal two ways, one is 285 divided by 10. Do you know this one?
Yes.
Or 28.5 is 28 and a half. Mixed fraction. So 28 twos are 56 plus 1, 57 by 2. Are you followed?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So when once explaining, you should listen now. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Now replace, substitute from 1. That is replacing one with x plus 57 upon 2 root 3 is equal to 57 by 2 root 3. It's from 1. Don't wait for me to do it. Shift that one, simplify. Try to get the answer. Not that I have to do everything. Simplify, you get the value, that's it. Tushar got, Riyesh got. Minus x. How minus x has come? Okay, you have to find out x, then why you are making it a minus x and all. X, keep it over here, shift this to that side now. Same answer. So get the answer. Don't make mistakes. Whatever the way simplification. Why are you doing LCM and all, my dear? You cannot shift that 57 by 2 root 3 to the right side and simplify. X only you need to find out now. That is the way to do.
What the answer?
What is your answer? Yes. Right, look here, what is the way to do? There are shift this one to the right side. Therefore, x is equal to 57 root 3 divided by 2 minus 57 by 2 root 3. If you want, you can do, there are a lot of ways I can do it. Take 57 by 2 common. Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. That is 57 by 2. Root 3 into 3 minus 1 by root 3. That is 57 by 2 into 2 by root 3. If you want to rationalize root 3, that is 2 cut 57 root 3 divided by 3, 19 root 3. Here itself, there, if you now means here rationalize, you will get 19 root 3 by that also you can do. There are various ways you can do. Simple form, try to get it. Always try to eliminate x, so first shift it. After that, see what is the way to do. Or directly LCM take, whichever the way you can do. Try to common factor and simplify. And 2 root 3. You said you are getting that. Who will read this one? Write properly. What is this? This is rough work you're doing. I send message to someone. Neatly write. Cut it from here everything. This also cut. Substitute from 1 and 2. Replace the value by x plus. Write properly, neatly. What is the value by? There is root 3 on 2. What is it? Your y is 2 y. Check the step. These are all questions. Please do it again. These are questions are lot of times, different times it has come in the exams. So you have to do it. If the value of root 3 is given, you have to substitute. If not, means this is the one. What is the value? Distance is equal to 19 root 3. What is the unit? What is the unit? 19 root 3. What is the unit? Meter. Did you write the final statement? Did you write over here? Distance traveled is equal to distance covered by the boy is equal to 19 root 3 meter. Done. Anjali, read the question. Last question, you not read, no?
The angle of elevation of the top view of the vertical tower PQ from a point X on the ground is 60 degrees. At a point Y, 40 meter vertically above X, the angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Find the height of the tower PQ and distance XQ.
Read question once again and do it. Figure draw. One important thing is getting the figure. Minuli, what is the third table? Last class, what did you tell me? I will learn the table and come now. Yes or no? Cell copying. Today, before going home, you have to come and tell me the value. Then only I will send you home. Okay? So close the book. I will give the value. Where is the volume? Why you need to make that 60 degree? This time, very side there. Not written. No, the PQ, XY and all given now. Mark it. Where vertical, this is vertically above. Do you know what is the meaning of vertically above? What is the meaning of vertically above? It's upward. Upward means it will come here. So then, why did you do? Where is PQ? Where is Q? Q is below or above? Below. Read it. If not below, yeah. If not down, it is up. That is no. It's clearly written now. Angle of elevation of the top Q from a point X is how much is given? 60 degree. This is 60 degree. There is a point, how many meters? 30 meter. 40. Don't change the one.
45.
No.
45.
30 go to 40. 40 go to 45. Then here the elevation is given as 45 degree. This much only you have to see. There it's not that you have to struggle later on. There is a vertical tower clearly written. Name of the tower is given as what? PQ. Now you check where is P and where is Q. P1 is at the top Q. So Q should be top P. And there is a point at point X. The angle of elevation. Did you draw the figure? And for what? It's written over there. I am not telling myself anything. I am just telling whatever it is there. The angle of elevation of the top Q of the vertical tower PQ means Q is the top. That means English you know now. So you apply. Scale down. If figure properly not done means I will throw it again. That is there. Now, explanations, self values are there means she also ran moved to that side. Oh, Rituja. Rituja, which are the two triangles to be taken? Raksha, what more name you can take? R. Which are the two triangles to be taken? Nothing else is given. Something else is given. What all things you have to find out? Hey, Anjali.
The height of the tower and
Height
the
of the
distance.
tower is h. Okay. So, and
Distance of x.
distance of h. So h means this is 40. Therefore, this is equal to h minus 40. I can take this is x, this is x. Distance xq, don't use it now because that will not come in the first case because the triangles xq is not a common side to use the two triangles. Always remember some common value to be removed. What is common here? xp and yr are the common things. So which are the two triangles you take? First triangle is triangle xpq. Same steps only you can see. XPQ 60 degree. This is which side? These are two sides now, opposite and adjacent. Most of the cases we are applying the same thing only. Tan 60 is equal to PQ upon XP. Root 3. Minuli this many times learn. What do you know what the value of tan 60? What is tan 30 then? 1. 1 by root 3. 3 values only basically you have to remember. Tan 30, tan 45, tan 60. Most of the time we will see. 3 more you have to do sin 30, sin 45, sin 60. Another 3 more cos 30, cos 40. Okay, this is upon x. So we have to find out x. So you need to eliminate. So write x is equal to h upon root 3. Condition 1. Cross multiplication. Melvin, are you following?
Yes.
You have no doubts. Last time you had doubt. Now look here. Triangle YRQ. Again, tan 45 is equal to QR upon YR. Put the value. Do you know what the value of tan 45? 1 is equal to h minus 40 divided by x. X is equal to h minus 40. Second condition. Now you need to get the value of which one? H. So equate both of them. See, similar. Why I am making into the similar format so easy to understand. There are other ways also you can do it. Therefore, h by root 3 is equal to h minus 40. Here you find out h. Check how you get. Collect h in one side. Then solve it. Whichever the convenient way you can do it. Always the right value should be positive form, it should be. Then where is minus 40 is gone? What are you doing? This is simple equation. This is minus 40. So shift minus 40 to here. 40 is equal to h minus h upon root 3. Very simple. Then LCM take root 3h minus h divided by root 3. This is 1. Simplify. Then after that, you can take h as common. Root 3 minus 1 times h divided by root 3 is equal to 40. Therefore, cross multiply 40 root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1. This is the value of h. Did you get this one? Anyone? None. This is not enough. You have to rationalize. How do you rationalize this one? Multiply and divide by root 3 plus 1. That is 40 root 3 multiplied by root 3 plus 1 divided by, this is root 3 minus 1 to root 3 plus 1 is what? Root 3 square, 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. 2 will be cancelled. 20. To write one more step is equal to 40 times multiply root 3, 3 plus root 3 divided by 2. That is 20 times 3 plus root 3. Or is the same as 20 times root 3 is 3 plus root 3. If the value of root 3 is given, that also is calculation very simple. Root 3's value 1.732 plus 3, 4.732. 47.32 into 2, 94.64. Since root 3 is not given, this is your answer.
Sir, can we written 60 plus 20 root 3?
You that also saying, we are opening now. 23 is 60 plus 20 root 3. This way. Now, one more part you have to get now. What you have to find out? Distance x cube. So, x cube you can see, take the triangle xpq. Hypotenuse, we have opposite side, sine 60 is equal to pq upon x cube. Substitute. So, what we get here? Root 3 upon 2, h upon x cube. You have the value or x cube cross multiply what we get here? X cube is equal to 2 will go up 2h upon root 3. You have the value of h. Do you know what value of h you substitute? You said 60 plus 2 root 3 or this one. Better you substitute this value so that root 3 will cancel from here. See, if I put this one, I can cut root 3 and root 3. So it is from 1 to 2 by root 3 into. Even otherwise, you have to rationalize under it. That's why root 3 plus 1 is from 1. I replace this value. If you replace this also, common factor you can cancel. That is, this and this is cancelled. That is 40 times root 3 plus 1. X cube. Check what you need to substitute. Then if there is no worry if you substitute, then root 3 take common and cancel. Then also you can do it. Not that you cannot do that. xq is equal to 40 into root 3 plus 1. Tushar, are you followed? Melvin has doubt. Suresh, what is it? 120? How will you get 120? How will you get 120 about? That is divided by root. Achha, divided by root 3 is there. The rationalizing and all you have to do now.
What if we substituted triangle QR that
Triangle QR,
uh, 45 degree QR by
where you have to find why you have to find what value?
x,
xq is in QR, why?
but x is also there.
My dear, what do you need to find out?
X,
X.
yes.
Not xq. X is a point now. You find out the side xq now, not point. Understood? Length of xq. URY means you will get yq only. These are questions on redo. Okay, important type of question. These are textbook questions. Don't think classwork is done or it is done. The problem most of you people classwork you don't do it again. You have to do this one. Because these are the questions are textbook questions. Yes, what up?
Why did we take sign?
What do you have to find out? Tell me.
X.
xq. xq is which side? Hypotenuse. So do we have this side?
Yes.
What is the value of x you have? Can we calculate? No. Do you have h? No. Then what it is? We have h now. We calculated which value opposite side and hypotenuse. We need hypotenuse. We don't have this value. We did not calculate. If you have to do it, then you have to get the value of this one. Okay. So we took the value which we have. If you have this value, then cos 60. Okay now.
Yes.
Mr. Goresh, are you followed? Then read the next question. Question number 12.
The angle of elevation of the jet fighter from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. The jet is flying at a speed of 70 km per hour. Find the constant height at which the jet is flying.
Okay. Imagine, read question and draw the figure. Okay, all three together, one volume. Whose is that volume? Where is your volume? Where is your volume? How many? Two volumes are given to them? Then, huh?
So
I see what?
I accidentally.
Accidentally. What is that accident? Then why are you showing that behind? That's the one volume. Oh, very nice. Accidentally. Accidentally today, before going home, accidentally give me all values and reason only go. Otherwise, your welfare secret should be there. Read, find out what is it. Melvin, start. These are very important types of questions. These are all of them. To do this one, first thing is jet is flying at what height? Is it how the jet is flying? Is it going towards up, towards landing, toward parallel to the ground? Did you see that one? How the jet is flying? Why parallel to the ground?
And it is you have to find the constant.
Constant height. What is the meaning of constant height? The jet of the height is moving at a constant height means it will be parallel to the ground. That is it. So that means if this is the first position of the jet, after some time it will go here. Let's say at the point. These are the two positions in the sky. Now, angle of elevation of the jet at a point on the ground is how much is written? 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Let's say any point is given in the figure, point A, B, C or something. When is given means accordingly. After 15 seconds, it reaches 30 degree. Jet is high, flying at a constant height. Let's say B and this is the height of the jet. Now, figure is clear? Arya,
Yes.
are you followed?
Yes.
What is A here? What is A here? I raise the angle of elevation. What is A here? It is the observation point. What is P? What is P?
First position of jet.
First position of the jet. What is Q? Second position after 15 seconds. So what is the distance traveled by the jet? What is the distance traveled by the jet? PQ. What is the distance traveled over here? P to Q. PQ is the distance traveled. Okay, are you followed? So it is from in with what time? In 15 seconds. The speed is given, so you can find out the distance. Are you followed? Speed is given, time is given, so you can find the formula. Distance equal to speed into time. Are you followed or not? What? 8 meter. 8 meter. 8 meter. What is the speed of the jet? Huh? What is the speed of the jet? Okay. So write down. First, you all are writing the explanations or not? Or just only simply writing something only? So write P and Q. Quickly write P and Q. Write the explanation. It is compulsory in the exam. Basically, 2-3 lines you have to write. Are two positions of the jet. A is the observation point. A is the observation point. BP is equal to CQ is equal to H. BP is equal to CQ is equal to H. Now, speed is equal to how much? 720, no? 720 kilometer per hour. Time is equal to how much? How much is given? 15 seconds. Convert into hours. 15 divided by how much? 3,600 hours. Therefore, distance is equal to speed into time. 720 multiplied by 15 divided by 3,600. Cancel. You can cancel 0, 0. Then again it is cancelled. 36 2s are 10. Cancel. 30 by 2. 3. 3 kilometer. Distance is equal to 3 kilometer. That is PQ, which is equal to BC, which is equal to 3 kilometer. So that is the distance traveled. I can mark that this is equal to 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer. I take one more variable. This let's say AB equal to X. Vinuli, can you tell which are the two triangles to take over here? Where are you looking? Look at the figure and tell me which are two triangles. Huh? APQ. In traffic, you have Vinuli. Huh? So you just close your mouth. You do the work. Which APQ, which angle is 90 degree? Ah, you don't know, sir. Why you are asking me, sir? And then find out the right triangle over here. Tell me which are the right triangles. Do you know what I mean by right triangle? CBQ. CBQ. Where is CBQ? Why? Hello? You people get from me. Let her find out what's the name of the triangle. I don't know, sir. I don't know. I am very innocent, sir. I am not grown to till 10th standard. To find two right triangle, I had to. I don't know. Do you know what is the meaning of a triangle? Huh? Do you know what is a triangle? That also you don't know. But look at and find out this is which angle. And with this angle, is there any triangle is there? I will tell the name. A, B, P. In this angle, is there any triangle is there? No. You cannot see A, C, Q. There is no. I can't see the lines. No. I don't know. I don't know. Exam also. I don't know. Will say nobody will come and show you. This all not first time we are doing now. Triangle to identify. Sir, I don't know, sir. A, P. So all of you, actually, all are watching how the triangle is. I said the triangle's name. Then apply triangle ABP. What are the sides are there? One is H, one is X. This is opposite side, this is adjacent side. Therefore, tan 60. These all these questions are similar format only. Figure only changes. Everything you have to see. This is 60 degree. So this is the side one opposite adjacent. Nothing to do with this side. So triangle ABP. Try at least. Okay, mistake there is no problem. At least I write two steps. Not that as it is copying from there. Tan 60 is equal to BP upon AB. Some of the people are trying, others are just simply copying it. Root 3 is equal to H divided by X. Again, now we need to find out H. So find X from here. How do you find? This is all very question, same thing we are doing. X is equal to H upon root 3. Condition 1. Then second triangle, triangle ACQ. Again, over there also opposite and adjacent. So tan 30 is equal to CQ upon AC. That is 1 upon root 3 is equal to H upon X plus 3. You can see AC is X plus 3. Cross multiply. X plus 3 is equal to H root 3. Second condition. We need to remove what X from here. So substitute. That is H upon root 3 plus 3 is equal to H root 3. Reason is from 1. Now you can see what I need H. So collect 3 is positive, leave over here. H root 3 minus H upon root 3. Now what is to be done? LCM. That is 3 is equal to. The same is what? Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3H minus H divided by root 3. That is 3 is equal to 2H upon root 3. Cross multiply. 3 into 3 root 3 divided by 2 is equal to H. Therefore, height is equal to 3 root 3 divided by 2, that means kilometer. The work is done. 3 root 3 by 2. Check the step. Check how we are getting along. I did not do any shortcuts. Just only two equations, substitute. All the steps I have written. If you want shorter ways, I can do it. So this is the one height. This is kilometer. If you have to convert into meter, what is to be done? Kilometer to meter, do you know what is to be done? Do you know what is the relation between kilometer and meter? Louder. Huh? Into 100. Kilometer and meter into 100. Divide. Kilometer, meter, do you know what the relation?
Kilometer.
1000. Kilometer means into 1000. Okay, not 100. Mean 100 is what relation? Meter and what relation is 100? Meter and centimeter. You know, meter centimeter relation. What is it? One at a time overload. Okay, so that is what? Every time I see one calculation, you have to do it. What is it? Yes, 1500 degrees, 3000 divided by 2, 1500 root 3 meter. They did not, your meter you can keep, okay. The value of root 3 is given me, substitute. And you can simplify 1.732, 866 into 3, 2.595. Okay, look here, time over now. You have to practice. This how many questions we are done now? 12 questions are done. Now again the types of questions are coming. Again 2-3 questions are little complicated. Some it's coming. I will explain. But whatever is done, you have to redo and start doing your homework exercise also. So that getting look here. The problem I am seeing is some of the people only figure is a problem. But for you people, it's not only the figure. Even solving also, you people are struggling. After getting equation eliminations also problems are facing now. So learn, practice, more practice. You know what is the mark of this question? Compulsory 5 mark. You remember this chapter, there will be one question, 5 mark is compulsory, all papers are there. You cannot afford to think about only that one. So you have to do it. That which part type of question we don't know. So you have to do it. Learn. I'll ask right now. Learn. Anjali, if you not learn,
Sir, why me?
your friend, na? Otherwise you are trying now, you don't know.
Sir, she will join.
Today I said no.